Host A and Host B are not pulling an IP via DHCP. Investigate and resolve the issue as possible. Before we start, I wanted to shout out my coworker John Helms for inspiring this lab years ago. In that moment, I thought I might have to choke him. Log into Host A and check the interface. It is up, and configured for DHCP. There is a possibility that the initial DHCP process was interrupted. For instance, the switch port may have been transitioning through spanning tree state, causing DHCP broadcast to be blocked. This is the reason we have spanning tree port fast configured on all switch ports connected to host. The port is shut, then no shut, to cause another DHCP attempt. It didn't work. Let's manually set the IP. This will enable the testing of the IP reachability. This will also validate that layer 2 components and configurations are correct. All in one step. With the IP set, ping the gateway. It was successful. The DHCP server is in a different network. Testing reachability validates full reachability to the DHCP server. What needs to happen for DHCP to operate in the current topology? The answer is that the gateway must be configured with the helper address. Log into router 1 and check the configuration. Show IP interface brief reveals subinterfaces. Issuing the show run command fails. I want learners to try other commands to verify operational states. For this reason, sometimes I disable the show run functionality. I also want learners to be intentional with troubleshooting. I want them to understand the problem and, with purpose, validate suspicions. None of that, it doesn't look right, although this is a valid method. You can try the show interface gig 00.30 command. This doesn't provide much. Show IP interface gig 00.30 reveals much more. The helper address is configured and the server IP is correct. Let's do some packet captures. When a device is configured for DHCP, it sends a broadcast. This is intercepted by the gateway and forwarded as a unicast to the DHCP server. Let's make sure this is happening. Broadcast can be seen here. So far, so good. But where's the unicast from the gateway to the DHCP server? It is missing. The helper is set and reachability is confirmed. What could be causing this? The answer is an ACL. View the ACL. The broadcast is being blocked, incoming, by the implicit deny. Correct it by allowing the broadcast. Check out host A and B, and you will see that they now have IPs. Thanks for that lesson, John.